Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rainbow trout fish. Start with a clean, fresh rainbow trout. Rinse it under cold water and pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a crispy skin. Season generously inside and out with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like parsley or thyme. For an extra burst of flavor, tuck a few lemon slices and sprigs of fresh dill into the fish's cavity. Pan frying is a fantastic way to achieve a perfectly crispy skin. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the trout in the hot pan and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on its thickness. You'll know it's ready when the skin is golden brown and the flesh easily flakes with a fork. For a more hands-off approach that yields incredibly tender results, baking is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange your seasoned rainbow trout on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Your perfectly cooked rainbow trout is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. It pairs wonderfully with simple side dishes such as roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a crisp garden salad. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely finishing touch and a pop of color to your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.